Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you, diving into like all about my fake nails. I've had a couple of you guys asking me how I put the nails on, what do I use, how do I get them off, things like that. So I'm going to show you how I apply them and what I use. So long story short, the reason why I don't just do acrylics, the way they do it, they shave down like so much of your natural nail, and then the acrylics are on there for a really long time, and I feel like I'm going crazy and I need to take them off eventually. So that's why I really love the pop-ons, because you pop them off when you feel like it. Save them, you don't have to throw them away, you can reuse them, and then pop them back on when you feel like having long cute nails again. But with acrylics, it's like you have to wait or like rip them off, and it's really painful and really bad for your nails. Plus, like, it costs so much money, and like, how many times have you been to the nail salon and they're using that freaking like spinning Dremel thing and they like shave off part of your freaking finger, and you just have to sit there and be like, it's fine. Like, no. I pop on fake nails before I film, before I like go out. I want the look of long nails if I'm going to be on camera, if I'm going to be out and about. It's kind of just like popping fake lashes on for me. So I always have tons of fake nails on deck. Some of the ones that I use are available through KadabraCult.com, but these, I have some really special ones that I got in the mail from LB Nail Artist on Instagram and Etsy, and I will put their information down below and the discount code. It's not affiliate, just a discount code to save money, but these are some of the most gorgeous nails that I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at these bad boys. So there we have the Black Marble set, the Dominatrix set, and then the Moonchild set. Literally some of the most beautiful nails I've ever seen in my entire life. Probably the most beautiful. The problem is, like, which ones do I do? This is the particular glue that I use. Super glue gel. I get it from the dollar store. It's like $1 for a pack of 2 or 3. I prefer the green one over the red one because this one's really liquidy, and this is the same kind of stuff that most nail glue is made out of, just like the liquid super glue. And I find that not only is it super runny and easy to get all over your hands, which is kind of unpleasant, it doesn't last very long for me. I find that the nails pop off really easily when I use this particular stuff. So I prefer the gel. Some of you might be like, oh, is super glue safe to put on your skin? Believe it or not, super glue is used in the emergency room for wounds and cuts, things that you can't put a band-aid on, because it's water soluble. Eventually it will break down with water, and it's not permanent on skin. So I have no issues using this super glue. I've been using it for years. The only thing for me is that sometimes, because I wear nails so often, and I switch my nails a few times a week sometimes, you've got some glue buildup here, you've got some flaking, some scratching off, but other than that, my nails are strong, they're perfectly fine, really have no issues. So alright, so the little lid is not working properly on this, so just gonna go in like that. See how this super glue is really jelly? Like, it's not going anywhere. It's like a gel. It's just the best. I'm gonna dab a little bit on each finger. I'll do the thumb last. So that's about the amount that I do. And now let's just grab our nails. So these ones have been custom made to fit my fingers. Got a little sample pack of nails to test out, make sure that they get the right sizing for me. That one needs a little bit more glue. I find that my pointer and middle finger usually need a little bit more glue. And the thumb usually needs a little bit more glue just because it's a little bit bigger. Wow, these are freaking gorgeous. Okay, so what you'll notice here on my thumb is that I overdid the glue a little bit. I got a little excess. So just take a Q-tip and wipe it off. Sometimes I'll put a little too much glue and it'll get under on my skin. It's pretty unpleasant to have your fingernail glued to your finger skin. like that. So yeah, try not to use too much glue, but it's no big deal. Just gonna do the other hand really quickly, the exact same way. And voila, the nails are on and they look absolutely stunning. I got a little bit of glue on my finger, so how do you deal with that? Take a nail file, rub it on the affected area, and the glue will just file away. It's super easy. Pro tip, see how there's like a shitload of extra glue under there? You can wipe it away with a Q-tip, but also before you wash your hands, wash your face, or get your hands wet, you're gonna want to wait until the glue is 100% completely dry. Just like wait 15 minutes or something, because if this super glue, I don't know if it's the same for all super glues, but if it gets wet, it turns like white, like an opaque white. It doesn't look very nice. So if you want it to remain clear, just wait like 15 minutes. How do you make them last longer? If the glue is water soluble, pop some gloves on when you take a shower. It sounds weird, but it works. So I have a bunch of like gloves from Sally's on deck. Sally's hair supply store. And so you pop the gloves on. They're just like reusable vinyl gloves. Get a hair tie, just simple hair tie like this. Put it on your wrist once you have the glove on, or a rubber band, and that will kind of like seal it shut. And then the water from like taking a shower isn't gonna get on your hands, and it'll make your nails last longer. Also, when you're gonna wash your face, it might be good to do it with gloves. If you're gonna do dishes, do it with gloves. It's gonna make your nails last a little bit longer. So like if you have a pair that you really like, or you want to make sure that you still have them on tonight, like, you know, that night or something, you know, take that extra step, put gloves on if you're gonna be around water. But yeah, when you're ready to pop them off, super easy. I'm gonna zoom in and show you. I'll just take my thumbnail off really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take one of these nails off. Like I said, I glued these on earlier today, so normally I wouldn't take them off this quickly, and I haven't really gotten my nails wet other than just like regular washing my hands. But I'll show you how I do it. I'm gonna take this one off. You just take your thumb and get to the corner and stick it under. Usually it's kind of weak right there, so you stick it under on the side and just kind of like wiggle it back and forth, and there you go. It's off. Now this is usually a lot easier if I've been wearing the nails for a few days. As you can see, it kind of ripped the top layer of my nail off, like just the tiniest little top bit. You'll have the same effect if you just file the top of your nail, you know? So I don't think it's the end of the world. My nails do not look very nice under there because, like I said, I change my nails so often. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Any of you wondering how I have bomb-ass nails in every video, how to save money instead of going to the nail salon all the time, or just how to have like really cute nails, maybe just for one night, maybe just for the weekend. Acrylic nails aren't for everybody. This is what I do instead. I hope that this video was helpful. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.